It's not up to me. Correct. What is good, everyone? I was just checking out some of the other London streams. Pretty good London streams going on right now. What is up, everyone? Let's go. Drop a good morning if you're in the chat. Morning. Let's get this pumping. Yo, good evening. What is happening? Let's get it. Why isn't my camera working? There you go. 1 second. Good morning, Chris Michael Richardson. What is good? Good afternoon, Sumita. What is up, Azim? Azim's been grinding it out early today. Let's go. As you're coming, put it down in the chat. Just say what's up as you're coming today. As you're coming, say what's up. Morning. So we know everyone who's in the chat, and we can have an insane session today. What is up, chat? 8 of y'all say what's up. Let us know what's popping off. As y'all come and drop a like so more people see us, more people know we're out here grinding. What is up? What's good? Are we ready for today? So today I was actually just looking at the charts. I was looking at GJ. GJ is very interesting. Let me just remove all my levels that I have right now over here. Right, so when we look at it, like, we can look at it from many intricate time frames. So the monthly is now flipping bullish from where we are at. Right? What is up, Ravi? Welcome to the stream. 1 second, let me just take off this. Trades. So yeah, so as we're all coming in, so Tito, what is up? Welcome. New day, good vibes. I've put a poll down in the comments section. London session about to be a banger or a boring session? Let's go London. Welcome Tango. Michael Richardson. I shall look at Euro AUD in a second. Right now we will break down the pairs we normally look at. So anyway, let's just look at this. So coming down to the 4-hour time frame, you can see how we're ranging. Literally 400 psychological level to 260 psychological level. 260, not much of a psychological level, but yeah. Rocket Junior, morning bro. What is up, Rocket Junior? Is this your first time on the stream? Let me know if it's your first time on stream. Alright, so you see 3 hours follows the same thing. So when I look at it, the 400 level, it remains sharp. But look at this level, okay, towards the left. Watch it. So as we look at the previous stream, look at 450, right? 450 right over there. So stop loss matter, watch stream on his live stream. That is interesting. Stop loss matters does an insane job of the London session too. He does host a really good London session. Interesting. But yeah. Alright, anyway. Fantastic. 450 is another level which I'm looking at. Can you see we've respected this 450 level? So let's continue to look at that, and then we have the 500 level, which is our key level. Alright, it's a key level on GJ 500. 450 is really nice for the Ali level, right? Can you see the Ali level right over here? Proper respect of the Ali level. So we can increase that to 450. Let's go to the 45-minute time frame. We have only one breakout at this region, so we've respected this region so far. 30-minute time frame. So 450 will be the level I'm looking to buy above. Okay. Even though 500 is a very key level, 450 will be an early closure which I'm looking to get, or I don't mind. Let's see, maybe a 30-minute closure. 490. Interesting. And then so we have the 400 level, which is our 4-hour resistance. So 4-hour resistance, if it holds, and right now this is our 4-hour support right over here, which we can sell if we get the chance. So right over there, 264. I'm gonna bring it down to, what can I bring it down to? 260. Also for our support. So we're looking at the next 4-hour candle closing either above or below. Alright, so that's what we're actually looking at right now. 1 second. All right. Oh, we're looking at AUD USD. Can you have a look? Yep, I'm just about to look at it. 1 second. Let me just get into the live trading session. All right. So as we look at it, we got 450, 500 levels. Let's take a look at these. We got some interesting levels below here. 45 minute 160. Hourly time frame. Alright, so on the higher time frames, if we look at 200 is the level which we want to break below, and we want to see what's popping. If you all want to join me on Discord, feel free to join me on Discord. Let's get it. Alright, okay, so Rocket Jr., you want to look at okay, so first let's look at Euro AUD. That is Euro AUD right away. Alright, so Euro AUD right now, what I can tell you straight off the bat is we're breaking below this level right over here, and we should be able to move down to this level at least to just capture this clean 30-minute candle, right, which is 40 pips away. Not bad. So this 30-minute candle close in below should actually be very interesting, or you want to wait for a 15-minute candle close below here. Whichever one you're comfortable with, more comfortable with, and follows your trading plan, right? That's what you want to do. So you could possibly wait for this or this, dependent on you. But what I would say is the 800 level is what we're waiting to close below. So if the 30-minute is able to close below the 800 level, I would say the next candle should make a nice top wick, retest that level, and continue down. So that's another thing. Yeah, no problem, Rocket. I was just replying to Chris Michael Richardson. So Rocket Jr. AUD USD. Let's go. AUD USD. Oh, look at the call we made on AUD USD. Now we're finally back up again with the second break of this zone. Second break of the zone, and we're continuing. Look at that hourly break. Perfect. Perfect. Alright, so now let's look at AUD USD. What are we doing? Let's just check it out. AUD USD. I feel like the next set of AUD USD buys will be above here. Once we re-enter this next range, because as of now, where are you gonna find entries? Alright, where will you find the entries to enter on this candle? So either what you could do is hope to capture this clean traffic as we re-enter this range, breaking these highs over here. That would be at where is it? Right there. There you go, above that level where we'd be looking for price to drive up. Yeah, so that's what we'd be looking at, but otherwise I don't see much on AUD USD, not gonna lie. Because AUD USD, this was the region we wanted to capture, and look, that is the region we captured on the entire move up. Some beautiful volume in the Asian session, which is also Australian almost, and we moved up completely. Are there any other pairs you want us to look at? All right, let's keep it going. Let's look at our pairs. GBP JPY, we're still waiting for a breakout on those lower time frames. Once we break this zone, honestly, that should be very interesting. Because see, that's a 4-hour support. Key level down here at 3-hour support. 1-hour engulfing below this level. He's on sells on in AUD USD. Alright. We will flip the 4-hour and then we'll have a very volatile candle. See, the problem with this is there's too much of uncertainty. I need some clarity in where we're gonna move. We need some clarity in where we're gonna move. So that's why I would say wait for clarity in the charts. Right now, even Euro JPY is a bit of a mess. We're still waiting for that 130 level to be smacked. There you go, 140 level. Yeah, on Euro JPY 140 and above we should start moving up to the top, and on GBP JPY if we break above 154.500 we should be good. I'm just trying to figure out where this would be a good sell or not. Below this level, it is showing me a lot of signs that this is a good level, but it's just not comfortable, to be honest. 3 hours. Mm-mm. All right, let's continue looking at this, because I think sells below this 3-hour level right over here is pretty good, but this 160 level also looks good to sell at. You know, it looks real nice and clean. Morning, Pragadro. What is good? Oh, all the way back from school. Not bad, not bad. Trading London.
Probably. I'm on my mobile. Let me turn on my PC.
Let's go. Get that PC running and let's bang our London session.
Oh yeah, baby. Seems like we missed GJ buys. Maybe can still look for GJ buys.
Yeah, but I'm not looking for GJ buys, to be honest. I mean, sorry. I didn't see where GJ buys opportunity was.
Yeah. I'm telling like we can look for buys after this 30-minute close or something like that. Let's see.
So-
No confirmation yet, so we're waiting.
Yeah, when you look at this 45-minute, look at this resistance / support we've held on the 45-minute. Okay, it's this level. On the 1 hour, it's this level, and on the 15-minute, it's this level up here. You know?
Conflicting, right?
So there's so many things happening. So we'll have to see where we close on multiple time frames to find out what we're gonna do. Samita GBP USD looking for it to go down 10 pip range. Let me just open it for them. This is what Samita is looking at. Does it just paste the same thing? Okay, I can't mark it up. That is interesting. Pragadro, any idea how to send a live chart?
I think you just share the link of the chart. I don't know. Like last time when I opened the chart through the link, I can just move to the chart.
Okay. Can you send me a link?
Yeah, wait. Turn on my PC.
Oh wait. Is it this link?
No. I think see to the left of the publish on the top right.
Yeah.
That thing. I think copy link to the chart image. Third one, yeah. Now try.
But that will only take me to the chart image.
Can you move around?
No.
Okay then. Let me see. Let me type a trading view.
Or do you need Trading View Plus or Pro or whatever that is called? Euro JPY buys above 840 and then secondary buys above 130. Easy dubs. Alright guys, 17 of y'all in here. What is popping off? Come on, let me know what's popping. What are we looking for? What are we looking at? Okay, wait, I think there's a setting that doesn't allow people to comment, if I'm not mistaken. Anyone can comment now. My bad, I didn't know. I forgot I turned it to subscribers only. Now anyone can send a comment. Whoever's there, even if you're not subscribed, you can send a comment, no problem. Let's get our trading terminal and everything ready. Today's about to be a banger. Let's get magic keys ready. Okay, we'll keep magic keys right over here. If any of you want magic keys subscription, one of the days I put my activation key on Oh, the YouTube by mistake. Big mistake, but yeah. GBP USD is looking messier than usual. Let's see what this is all about. But AUD USD little dangerous, so I'm just gonna steer away from that, keep it clean. Alright, what are the other pairs we're looking at? Let me know what are the other pairs we're looking at. What are the other pairs we're looking at, and what are we looking for? High, add EJ, sell or buy. Everyone's looking at Euro AUD. Alright, EJ buys above this level and sells below the level I marked, but I feel like the sells will be safer when we start breaking market structure down here at what, 40, 440. Yeah, once we start breaking below here. But let's see when if we start breaking below this, it'll be awesome. I have captured 20 pips on Euro AUD, sorry. Euro AUD. That's great. I think Euro AUD had a nice drive down of 40 pips. Euro AUD be careful and wait for your trade setup to come in. Right now Euro AUD is closing a little weirdly. We can wait for the half an hour time frame to close below this level if it wants to sell off at below 800. But right now with the 15-minute closing back above, that's almost like a fake out, so we have to wait. GJ also is respecting 450 and waiting. Look at GJ 3R level. Flat candle body resistance on GJ 3R level. So that's why we need to look and be careful of it. I think for GJ, okay, congratulations Azim, he got a good trade. Michael Richardson, so if you're looking at Euro AUD, that's what you want to wait for. And EJ, we're waiting for it to play out, either break these highs or break the lows down there. Ooh. Look at gold 1 hour time frame, contradictory. 45-minute time frame, little less contradictory at 1915. 30-minute more contradictory. 15-minute very contradictory. So when we look at this is a little bit suspicious. (1915 to 1916). This is a new 1 hour candle on GJ. But look at the rejection. This could come down, rejecting this resistance, right? Let's see if that 1 hour thing is important or not. Mm. All right, I'm just gonna make it a little clearer, right? We take sells on GJ only below 160 right over here. So the 45-minute time frame I just feel is a little bit clearer. So we're gonna keep it up and just make sure we get clean trades. Honestly, today all I'm looking for is the cleanest trade possible to hit a nice little banger, and then we can continue. 20 of you are welcome to the stream, guys. Let me know what's up, let me know what's popping, so I can either analyze for you something that you want. 45-minute time frame, we got a big fake out over here, which is interesting. Okay, let's look at GU as someone. Oh, GBP AD.
TJ base.
What?
Hold up from TJ base 154 356 TJ base.
154.
354. Yeah, 35.
You bought?
Yeah.
Nice, nice. What is the time right now? Right now it's London session open, but
30.
yeah, we're just gonna wait. Good morning from Nigeria. Good morning. Welcome to the stream. Any thoughts on GU? Let's go to GU. GBP USD. GBP USD has been like this for some time now, so we need to take a look at it. Let's go down to the 4-hour time frame on GBP USD. Right, let's just take a look at this. 720 looks good. This level right over here, you see these candle wicks rejecting this level, so this is the important one. 3-hour level also. 2-hour, 1-hour, alright. 45-minute. What's happening, Pragadro?
Yeah.
We can hear your MetaTrader going off.
Really. Thought I had cancellation.
Yeah. All right. So GU, I'm looking at GU2. Yep. Let's look at GU right over here. 65 zones. Let's look at zones. GU, we have the 375 level over here, which is important, which we have a clean rundown below, because we haven't closed below this since today, right? So if we break this, we'd be expecting break of market structure and continuation on higher time frame analysis. So why would I expect you to continue down after that? Because when we look at this, all right, 4-hour highs, 4-hour lower highs, lows. Once we break this level, we'll be forming lower lows to continue back down. All right, what do you all think of that? You see what I mean? But for that, we need to break down. We need to break those lows and continue down. So when we look at it, wait, let me just look at it a little more intricately. Buy is only above there, of course. What's all this wasted space though? Yeah, I think the GU rundown should be down to 1.3 retest, because if we're so what we need to do is, right now you see this right on GU. So what we want to see is something like this, right? Something like this. That's what would be nice to see on GU or GJ, some form of like break of structure almost, right? Okay, so EJ we had a big bottom wick. GJ we had a this is the 1 hour low, which you can sell below this also, which has been tapped into quite a few times. I think Sumita sent us a good chart on that. Let me just check it out. Guys, if you all are just joining in, let us know what's up in the chat, and also let me know what's popping. Yeah, I think the 1 hour supports look better than the 2 hour. But right now, I'll be honest, this is so messy. All this is so messy, right? Don't you all like it when we just had clean traffic to the left to take trades? Like when we had like these levels, right? We broke below these levels because we had like nice clean candles to the left. Right now we're just in a mess. Like, look over here, or so we could take such nice trades because of these clean candles coming down. But right now we're just struggling to find clean candles and clean areas to move, for price to just move through, you know. Right now gold also is in a little bit of a tussle. Wait, let's just look on gold, because we have such a clean rundown, honestly. Mm-mm. 14 flat, 1914. A nice sell below 1914. What do you all think? We've tapped into 1914 twice. Look at this level. 1914 to 1915, key region of rejections. What do you all think? Come on, there's 19 of y'all in the chat. Let me know. What are your biases on gold? What are your biases on gold? Let's go. That level looks good, 1914. Alright. So we can sell it below 1914. That would be a better, right? Better trade to take. There you go. You can see the level and the way it looks. We look to wick fill completely. We got around 65th range down. But I think we got further range, honestly, especially on this level. What is this, 1907? Yeah, 1907. Yeah, look at this level, 1907. Fantastic. Yeah, 1908 to 1907. So we can just come straight down right over here. That's what I'm looking for when we break down below this level. Alright, so let's look for clean trades. Let's look for really clean ones right now. See, if this 45-minute closes above this level, it'll be a good buy. Why? Because look at this rejection wick, right? Massive rejection wick, but the 30-minute of course doesn't have a low wick, so we'd want to be careful. But that will be the first candle to break out in this range in like a day or so. So that would be nice. GJ is continuing down. That is crazy for GJ, to be honest. But yeah, GJ is continuing down. Yeah. Now as GJ approaches these levels, we'd be able to see. Progadro, are you out of it or are you still in it?
Yeah, for the 10 pips and then he breaks me.
On GJ?
Yeah. DJ actually went 10 pips when it like re-broke the current highs of 30 minutes. After that, it came back to my entry and stopped me.
Interesting, yeah. That's nice.
I don't think it's gonna go down because like I'm still expecting buys for GG.
Yeah. Let's go. Wick. Are you talking about WICK psychology? My English is not much, but hope you understand. Yo, don't worry about English and all, man. Just ask your questions. Don't worry about that. We're not here to judge you. We're here to trade. But yeah. Let's just look at this and see. Wick? Okay. So we're talking about this, right? This candle wick right over here. Right? So the wicks are actually interesting. The way each person looks at wicks is different as per the way I look at wicks, you know. For me, I personally look at wicks as like rejections, okay? I look at these wicks and depending on the size of it, like, you know, look at this small candle wick right over here on this bullish candle is what I wouldn't consider a rejection candle wick, right? This big wick over here is what I would consider a rejection wick. Okay, give me a second. 15-minute just closed. So if the next 15-minute closes above this level, we could get a nice buy entry. The 45-minute close but bearish. The 1 hour is open with no bottom wick on EJ. Gold trying to go lower. I think gold, if it can create a top wick and then start breaking down, it can definitely continue. GBP, JPY, what do we do? Nothing. So right now we're just ranging. GU didn't break out the trend line. Where did GU break out the trend line? I'm not seeing that, my friend. I'm not seeing GU breaking out the trend line. Shabana, I don't see GU breaking out any trend line. Yesterday I have lost 36 bucks in gold. Yeah, yesterday actually I got into a trade on gold too, and that was a little sketchy, to be honest. Like, I think I caught it like over here somewhere. Wait one second, we came down yesterday. Yeah, right over here. So it went down 10 pips from here. I think it was the 15-minute here. It went down 10 pips. It stopped me, like it took profits, and then it went back up right over there. But yeah, that was pretty funny. But I was lucky to get out of it. Look at Euro JPY. Euro JPY is now breaking out after a large rejection. GBP USD continuing up. GBP JPY trying to continue up. Euro JPY is pushing. Euro JPY is pushing right now. Oh man, we should have been able to catch this. 13 pips up. We're gonna wait for Euro JPY to close above. Oh man, what a push up. What a push up. I'm not sure if this is due to news or anything, but yeah, let's just check it out. 6 PM is all Canadian news. Right now there's no news. Yeah, anyway, gold is trying to continue up. Euro JPY is still pushing. We're gonna try and see if we can get a move. I lost because it's a little bit confusing for me about calculating pips and managing risk to reward in gold. Yeah, dude, so gold actually is a little bit more different. You kind of have to wait for things and look at it a little more clearly. So 1 minute, let's just look. Sumita sent us some charts on GBP C80. Yes, Sumita, I just saw it. Sells below GBP Canadian and AUD JPY. Buys above, sells below. Yeah, perfect. This clean candle range is right there, and you can see the way we moved in this region. So yeah, we got a pretty good range on both ends. Canadian, but this is on no point trading in this. You have to be 100% correct if it's a 10 pip range. So no, this 35 pip range you can catch 10 pips, or the 17 pip range. You only have to be 50% correct over here in the 17 pip range, and you only have to be like 35% correct in this 35 pip range. 30% correct. Why is euro spiking up? Is GJ finally gonna break out? 9 minutes left in this 30-minute candle. We can take it once it closes above. Once we break above here, we should be able to move it. GU broke out of trend line on the 30-minute and 15-minute. What time frame do you draw trend line? 30-minute, you can see the 30-minute trend line and 15-minute trend line. It's still inside of it. You can see it right over here. We haven't yet broken out of trend line. Yeah, we're still in this channel. Look at it. If that's what you're looking for, we're still in this channel. Can you see the channel? So we're still in this. We need to break out of this. Euro JPY with a massive wick, which is gonna leave me confused. Can we get a wick fill on this? Finally a breakout on Euro JPY. Let's look at other Euro pairs just before we can consider taking that. Is Euro USD breaking up? We're breaking up on Euro USD, Euro AUD, breaking up on Euro AUD. Euro AUD just flew. Euro JPY, this is the perfect buy I was looking for, buy opportunity. Because this should actually continue. Look, this 4 hours breaking, it should retest the previous 4 hour. I'll probably look for a buy on candle flip and stops the break even at the candle wick fill. Let's see if we can get that. That would be awesome. Gold is pushing down. We're expecting gold to continue. So Samita, when you look at your charts, you definitely see it. Okay, wait, Mohammed Azim, it looks like head and shoulders. Samita, you definitely can see that AUD JPY is a better trade than GBP CAD. So yeah. Oh man, we missed gold. That 45-minute close was good, okay. And flip up, which was 26 pips and 30 pip drop. But Euro JPY is about to come in, so let's just wait for that. Let's wait for Euro JPY. I wanted to get in as we were breaking this portion right over here. That rejection was massive though. What is that? 30 pips. We could have gotten after this rejection candle closed like that. So yeah, it's okay, no problem. Let's wait and see what's popping off. We got 21 viewers in the house. What's good, gang? What are you all up to? What is the day looking like for everyone out here? Let's see what we're looking for. Gold looked interesting, but we could look below these lows, because you see that these are like levels which are very important. So 1910 also could be like a psychological level which we're reacting to. So gold, when you look at it, it's kind of choppy for the last few days. So we want to catch these clean drops. You see, this is a range, right? This is the range. So we want to enter this range to come down, right? You want to first enter this range before you can come down. So let's get it. Let's wait, look at it clearly and get a good trade coming down. Yo, I think I just missed Max from Stop Loss Matters. But yeah, fantastic. Let's check his. If you want to watch another London live session, you know, which is really good, has a lot of viewers, and he does a really good job with his London live. It's Max from the London session. Let's go. Euro JPY about to close.
So yeah, we'll see. Obviously too much left, to be honest with you. So only JPY is coming up over here. Could you say that made a little bit of support here? Wow, 600 credit per game.
Euro JPY. Let's see how Euro JPY goes. A minute left on EJ. Let's go. Let's get some movement. Yo, there's 26 of us, 27 of us, eh? Thanks for the sub, Alan Joseph. Let's get a nice buy. Okay, I'm gonna get ready for some Euro JPY. A wick down and then a wick up as we go now. But of course, GBP JPY is still in this range. What about Euro USD? So we're only expecting Euro JPY to continue up. That would be interesting. Euro JPY. Let it come down a little further and then we can try and get a nice little flip. At 60, stop loss to break even up there. Let me just see how that would play out for me. Alright, let's see how it moves. We can take it once we see a 5-minute bullish closure. Okay. Let's see what EJ does. Okay, stop loss below this candle at 7 pips. We're expecting the move. Alright, stop loss and profit. Alright, stop loss to break even. Come on boys, let's go. What are we talking about over here? Come on. Guys, come on, what are we talking about? 14, 15 pips. Let's go, EJ. Let's go. Come on, W's in chat. What are we talking about? Close half. Let's go. 75% position closed. Come on, W's in chat. What are we talking about? 30 of us in this house. Come on. Let's go. Yo, 29 of you. Come on, what are we talking about? Right over here? What are we talking about? Let's go. Let's fly, EJ. Let's fly. Let's get that 30 pip move. Come on, who's in the chat? Come on, what are we talking about? What are we talking about? Who's in this with me? Come on, 40 and 15 pips. Who's in this with me? Come on. Guys, go over to stop loss matters, right? And put love from DC in his chat. Go over to stop loss matters and put in love from DC in his chat. Cause I literally told him to look at EJ. I literally told him. I mean, like, you can go check my comment out. I literally told him to look at. Come on, what are we talking about? Easy dubs. Literally that easy. Who's in it with me? Guess I got in late. No problem. Insane. Amazing. How many spread in your broker? Let's go. Barely a pip. Barely a pip. There you go. How much you up on that GJ trade? Here you go, man. Here you go. So I have completed another 1% today on the challenge. You can see. So I've closed around 120 bucks already on EJ. I got a 25% that's running. Right here, that's $30 running right now. $30 running. Hope it keeps running. Stops the break even. Come on guys, every single day we call out the most fire trades over here. If you aren't subscribed already, I don't know what you're doing. I don't know what you're doing. So looking at GJ, was there an entry at all? I think it was this 30-minute break of the closure above, which was what was interesting now. Fantastic. Fantastic. Keep it going, lads. Keep it going. Let's run those subs up. We're at 240. We're calling our banger trades. We're at 244. Let's go, baby. We're moving on up. Bangers, bangers, bangers. So I personally want EJ to continue up. You know, but whatever EJ does, EJ does. So my trade is open over here. You can see we're 5 pips up on EJ. I want it to continue up. $1.90. Yeah, so I want this to continue up. If it keeps coming down, no problem. We secured 1.2% today on this account, so no problem. No problem. No problem. No problem. No problem. Let's keep going. So Samita, you're the only one in EJ with me. Come on, chat. 27 of y'all. Was Samita the only one who was in this with me? Oh man, it's coming down. We're about to get stopped out. We're about to get stopped out. Will we get stopped out or will we reverse? Come on, let's go back. Let's go back. It could come down a retest 130, but I don't want it to. I want it to fly. Come on, GJ, turn around. Sorry, EJ. EJ. This next 1 minute should just flip and fly. Can we flip and fly? If it stops me out and then continues up, that'll be pretty funny. Yeah. Let's go up, EJ. How many of you are in the house? 26 of you. Come on, Chad. Alright. We got Euro USD. We got gold that's going up. So gold, we're gonna wait till we break these psychological levels. I honestly don't see a trade on gold in the near future. Yeah, I don't see a trade on gold in the near future. There you go. We're out of this completely. There you go. This is the complete EJ trade, 1.2% up. We're at $600 now. We're 6% up, 2%, 6.2% up. We need another 1.7%, 1.8% left. 1.8% left, man. 10k YouTube challenge. What are we talking about? Let's go, Chad. What are we talking about? Come on, who's doing it? I told you all I would do a YouTube challenge for y'all. A 10k MFF funding YouTube challenge. And I'm doing it right over here. You can see it. Every single trade that we've ever taken. History is right over here. Every single trade that we've taken on this 10k account. What are we talking about? 625. What are we talking about? Come on. You can see I haven't hidden anything from here. Alright. The least we can do is, come on, put a W in the chat once you're done seeing this. You can see the losses that we've taken. 2 losses maximum. Yeah, only 2 losses. We've only taken 2 L's on the stream. Come on, guys, what are we talking about? We're all up in this stream. Come on, you can see the consistency we put every single time. Alright, Sumita, no problem. For sure. Samita, you're the only sweet guy who's putting a W in chat, but yeah. As you all see, we do this every single day and you can see the results. You can see the pairs which we took trades on. Right? GBP JPY and Euro JPY. One trade on Euro GBP USD, which was too good to be true. So there you go, y'all can see it all. There's no hiding, there's complete transparency. And this is only gonna continue. There you go, that is today's trades, $121 in profits. And that's just how we do it out here. No one else. Yo, is there another stream that shows terminal like us? Tell me, is there another stream which shows that terminals like us?
Ah,
Yes, Pragadro.
no one, bro. No one shows us.
At least, like, I know Raja Bank shows his terminal, but like, I'm talking about, like, you know, other small time streamers like me. If I'm not mistaken, I've seen maybe one other streamer show terminal max. Oh, GJ is just pushing. Pragadro, your GJ buys were actually pretty decent. It just you entered a little early. What you should have waited was for this breaker structure, right?
Yeah.
But you still got 10 pips, so GG's, my man. Keep it up. This 2-hour
Yeah.
closure also was pretty decent. Pardon?
Yeah, no, nothing. I was talking about the GTA place.
So yeah, I don't see anyone showing it like us.
We offer complete transparency.
Exactly. But yeah, bangers, baby, bangers. Every single day we come out here and we call bangers. Honestly, if I had that win streak thing on over here, yeah, I know one showing MT4, showing his MT4 and losses too. Who shows? I think Max I've seen, right? Max show his MT4. Stop loss matters. But yeah,
DA Forex.
which one?
See
DA
the
Forex.
chat. Yeah.
DA Forex, but he's not streaming right now. Alright. But yeah. There you go. That's all the history. And this is all this month only. Custom period. Let's go. Yeah, to today. This is all in this month alone. All these trades. And most of, I'll tell you what, all these trades must be like what, 7, 8 trades. This is only 8 trades, and this is my partial positions being taken, right? Most of it. Alright, EJ going down. You see why we go to break even. Let's go, baby. Let's look at AUD USD. AUD USD breaking above. The next 45 minutes should wick down and continue up. Yeah, I'm just not comfortable with this Azim, to be honest. As much as I like it, I'm just not comfortable with it just yet, you know? Just not yet. Otherwise, like, it looks pretty decent. It looks good to continue up, but I want to capture it after we break this, you know, like from this level onwards. What is this? 610 level? 600. Yeah, I want to catch it from here, you know. Look at this target. I rather have that target than this small target, but this, once this 1 hour closes also, we should continue because of this bullish market structure. We should continue, but it's just that this gives me a little bit of uncertainty, not gonna lie. This gives me just a bit of uncertainty. Euro JPY pullback, we out of here. Come on, guys. What are we talking about? Archie Christie, what is good? Let's check it out. YouTube. DA Forex. Ooh. Oh dang, man has 100,000 subscribers.
But that doesn't match his views.
Yo, this is sus. I'm not gonna lie. Has he bought his subscribers?
Probably, I guess so.
Yo, no chance, no chance. Wait, let me just show you this. Okay, look at his views. Okay, 400, 390, 360 with 100,000 subscribers, right? 240 subscribers, okay? 280, 280, 370, 239. And you're telling me I'm just like I have more views than some of his sessions? No. Okay, but I'm pretty sure he must be a good trader. I don't know whether he's bought his subs or not, but yeah. Let's see, does he show terminal? Oh yeah, he shows terminal, not bad. Not bad, respect to him. I'm impressed now. But yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah, he changed his gaming channel to trading. Alright. That's why. That's why Progadro.
He like
he was
everything, like if you had video on it.
Yeah, I guess he deleted everything. But even after 100,000 subscribers, yeah, but I mean, he's doing some good stuff. If like he's showing his terminal and stuff, so like that's a proud moment for anyone.
Yeah.
AUD USD about to close. Another 5 minutes. Gold, EJ. We got a good trade, that's it. GJ 50-minute time frame. We could catch something naughty. Let's just wait. What is the 640 level around here? It's okay. We could expect another burst on GJ once we flip the next candle. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Let's check out what the other streams are doing. Anyone into crypto doing any Shiba Inu? Shiba Inu? Interesting. Yeah, I think we have good range to at least 800 level. How many of y'all are looking at GJ buys? How many of y'all are looking at GJ buys? Come on guys, there's 30 of y'all in the chat. What is good? Welcome to the channel. What is popping off? We just took some EJ buys, which banked us some good profits. And if you're looking for the results of the 10k challenge, it's right up here. We're up 6.2% on the 10k challenge. Ooh, GJ is coming down now. GJ, why you coming down, man? Why you gotta come down, GJ? Look at this. Now you would have to wait for a 50-minute closure above this level. When it closes strong like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's true. 31 people in this stream. Come on guys, let's run up those likes. What are we doing? What are you all doing? Seriously. Run up those likes. No. I'm just troubling y'all. If y'all like the stream genuinely, then like the video and subscribe if you want to. There's no force of here. We just enjoy doing. That's really good, Sumita. That's really good. But guys, come on, let's run up those likes, yo. If you like what you see, just run up those likes. Let's get some more exposure on our channel. Yeah, AUD USD is gonna be a no trade because look at how it's closing. GBP JPY 100% no trade. Look at the way it's about to close in 40 seconds. Come on guys, let's run it up. Da-da-dum. Guys, if you wanna join us on Discord, feel free to join us. Both the links in the description and in the chat. Not looking good. GBP USD still in the channel. Not looking good.
You got a trend line.
Yeah.
You got a trend line on GU.
Yeah, I had a trend line on GU. GU was trending. So what can we do? Look at this. GU is trending. Very nice. But yeah, I'm just waiting for the breakout, to be honest. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not gonna say I'm looking for anything else. Okay, we're retesting this level right now. 154, 500. Are we going down all the way on GJ? I think we are. The Fora even broke out. Come on, GJ. Okay, so let's look at this, okay? The Fora has broken out on GJ. So I'm gonna take a small position at this candle flip. Cause yeah, come on, that's a 4-hour candle breakout finally after all this time. You get what I mean? Come on, what are we talking about? We closed below this though. I think this really should be good, to be honest. I'm gonna take a small position on GJ. I wanted to take it on the flip, but now I've kind of missed the flip. Magic keys. Where's my magic keys? Open calc. Market pending. What's the stops like? Okay, 7 pips stops almost. Yeah, that's a 4-hour candle flip. Okay, I'm gonna take a position at 550. If we break this high again. Because in all honesty, GJ should continue.
So you wanna use like input risk cost?
Yeah, wait, see, I'm just calculating. So now what you got to do is you need to calculate your position, right? So maybe we can wait for this 15-minute to close and take it at the break of this 15-minute high. You get what I mean? And we can take it at our 550 level. So we can possibly wait for that 550. And what is the risk to the top? Okay, 7 pips. And then stops the break even up here.
Yeah, that's okay, but like you wanna use input risk option right on the match piece.
Sorry?
Like you wanna risk 1% or you wanna change the risk to half or something like that?
Let's see. Because I think I'll just use my standard 1% risk, not gonna lie.
Okay. No, like when you said like you wanna take a small position, so I thought you wanna use input risk option from the magic piece.
Yeah, I was about to and change this to 0.5, right? And make it half my lot size. But I'm thinking like we have enough to risk on the table right now.
Yeah, value trade.
Yeah. Okay, so let's wait for this 5-minute candle to close. And then we'll get into this. Man, we could have got into this, honestly. EJ has to go now. I would want the 15-minute to close first and then continue pushing. Because now we may or may not miss this trade. Are they in this trade by any chance? No. GJ longs closure above here. These guys should be in this trade. Come on, because it does say closure above there. Oh man, the call was from 550 up. We went 3.5 pips up. Give me a second, guys. Alright, I'm sorry I got a call, but I'm back. Yo, Progadro, I got a call, but I came back. Thoughts on GJ? Let's wait for this 15-minute to close bullish like this, and wait for the next 15-minute to go up like that. Yeah, I really feel that happening. I really feel that happening. That's my thoughts on GJ. But GJ can continue, that's the problem. How many minutes left? Okay, another 5 minutes left in GJ. Let's go. Come on, hold GJ right over here. Hold it right over here. As we break the previous 15-minute high, we can continue up. 10 pips on GJ is easy. I don't know why we're struggling. I don't know why we're still talking about this right now. Who else is looking for GJ? Shabana. Let's go. Let's go, chat. Come on, 22 of y'all. If y'all, 23 of y'all. If y'all aren't subscribed already, guys, please do subscribe and like the stream. Let's get some exposure on this stream. Come on, guys, run those likes up. There's 25 of y'all. Run those likes up. Come on. Let's run those likes up and subscribers up. Alright, this 15-minute will close in 5 minutes. In 4.5 minutes almost. What can we expect? Come on, is that not expected? Like, okay, let's see how it plays out. Let's see how it plays out. Yeah, I think GJ is gonna continue up. The next 15-minute candle wicks down and gives us a nice quick 10 pip bang. I'm not gonna lie, that looks really good, unless it continues right now itself. Okay, wait, someone said
versus, yes, like versus settings on magic keys.
yeah, I've made you a moderator on my YouTube, Pragadro.
Me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I think GJ will fly DXY to 4. Alright, friends, welcome back to the stream. GJ is about to fly. What are we talking about? Let's wait for this next 15-minute candle to close. Wait for it to wick down. Take it once we break those highs. And I think we should be off to the races, not gonna lie. That looks pretty good. Who else thinks GJ is about to fly? Who's gonna be in it with me when GJ flies?
Yeah. Probably me.
Probably you. Alright. Market pending. Let's look at how we can get into this. How many minutes left? 2.5 minutes left. I don't want to push before that time. We wait for this 15-minute to close and get in on the flip. EJ also doing the same. But I think this time GJ is the way to go. Let's see how this closes. That should give us perspective. If we break these highs, we should continue. 640. But that'll be too much. No, that's too much risk on the table. Creepy 187 TV. What's up? You tell me, my man. You tell me what is up. What's popping off on your end? Break of the previous 15-minute high to continue up. That looks pretty decent, not gonna lie. I think GJ should continue up. Yeah, we're breaking all these highs. We got a nice 15-minute bullish candle, creating a higher low up here, right at the resistance. That should give us a neat move up. We're gonna use a small position, not small actually, I'm just gonna use my normal position. Input risk 1%. Okay, alright, where price closes, we're gonna wait for price to close and then set our stops. Alright, I think at this point 640 will be the level, the break of these highs, right? I don't think there's confirmation before that. Does look good. How many pips away is that? 2 pips away. 30 seconds for the 15-minute candle to close. I think GJ buy is about to come in. Alright, let's set this up. Yeah, I'm gonna keep that as my... I'll wait for this to wick down. I'm gonna buy stop once we break the tops at 240 on my MetaTrader. I want this to first create a bottom wick. Let this create a bottom wick. Let's see how much of market structure can we maintain. But so that way I can set my stop loss, you know. Or should we just set it at a good 10 pips? Ta-da. Alright, let's come down a little bit. Alright, let's put a nice 5 pip stop as we break these tops to continue. Yeah, because I want to see it break that high to continue. Right, so if it comes below my stop loss, then I'm gonna reset. Alright, so I close this trade and then I reset and open calculator again. So you'll see how I trade, because then it'll readjust my stop losses and my position size and everything. Alright, so are we coming down? Are we coming down? Let's come down at least to half of this candle. So then if we come down to half this candle, we can take it on the candle, flip back up. Let's look. Are we struggling? XFX, what are we talking about? Welcome back, baby. Alright, recalculating position. Same thing, 640 will be my... Now we're just gonna wait for this 15-minute low to be created. 15-minute low. 590. Alright, that's about 5 pips. Alright, open. Let's break these highs and continue, GJ. Let's see when we get in. So we're not yet in. We need a slight volume push to break above those highs and continue. And we have a small stop loss of 5 pips. We're in. In from 640. Small stop loss right over here at 5 pips. Alright, we're not gonna let it go below that. We don't want it to break its own low. We want this to continue. You see that? Alright, And so where's our break-even trigger gonna be? This is our break-even trigger right over here. Alright, we close 50% of our position when this 15-minute candle turns bearish, but this is our BE trigger. Alright, let's see GJ, come on, can we do it or can we not? We've broken all the previous highs. We should be able to continue. 15-minute candle give us a good can we get our 1:2 5 pips for let's go GJ, let's move. So if I see it continue to struggle right over here, then we start looking at changing our bias. Until then, we're shaking and baking and waiting. Let's go GJ, let's go. 640, we're in that 640 level. There you go. GJ 15-minute turns bearish, I close half. Why are your TPs only 10 pips? Because I only need that volume push, yo. I only need that 10 pips at a time. Alright. Let's go to 1 minute. What is good? Are we coming back down? What are we looking at on GJ? It honestly still looks good. I'm just gonna hold. One of these candles should give us a banger. Come on GJ. Let's go GJ. If y'all drop a like and sub, GJ will fly. I'm just troubling y'all. So let's watch GJ. GJ is coming down to stop loss, as y'all can see. Let's see. GJ 15-minute candle flipped. It flipped back. So right now there's some volume in this market. So let's see what GJ does. There is some volume. Will we get stopped out? And we're out. There you go. Trade close minus 5 pips on GJ. That's interesting. Yeah. Let me just update it. GJ buys minus 5 pips. No problem, guys. No problem. $10 pips is all you need, bro. Do you have COT data? I'm so sorry. What is COT data, my friend Trends? Like I missed a trade. Hello, like I missed a trade. You missed those EJ early buys, yo. You missed those EJ buys.
COT is I think it's the sentimental data.
Is it? Oh, I don't have that. So as you can see, these are our trades for today. I'm at minus $2 for the day. Not a problem. Let's go. Come on, lads. Let's go. Let's run those likes up. The big banks doing hedge funds. No clue, yo.
It's just their sentiment towards each pair. You know, like I think it's released on pair basis, something like that. I don't know.
Where do we get that?
It's basically their sentiment, yeah. Probably some sites.
Mm. Mm-mm. EU has recently added more longs. I think EU will go up more. So we can find out which side of the trade banks are on.
Yeah. Yes.
I'm out for the day. Chris Michael Richardson. No problem, Chris. Have a good one. That's COT latest news. Let's find out what this COT latest news is. That's interesting on GJ. Might stop trading GJ altogether soon. Trust me, sales. I'm so close to stopping trading GJ. But yeah, it's okay. It's okay.
Looks like EJ is a nice pair if you don't want to trade GJ.
Yeah, Euro USD. I think. Alright. Wait, let's just check out this commitment. Oh, the commitment of traders. I've heard of this before, not gonna lie.
Yes, now I guess.
Okay. Let's check this. Euro USD. Yeah, that's gone. Sorry, maybe 1 year. I don't know. What is this? Commercial. What is the commitment of traders? Commercial traders, multinational corporations, non-commercial traders, that's a large speculators, commodities, yeah. Non-reportable traders, either group or whatever. Interesting. Shall we give... GJ, don't be a piss off, man. Three minutes left on GJ. Let's see what we can do. GJ is getting rather frustrating, not gonna lie. The market movers. What is this platform? You can see the color line below to see the big bang, what the big banks are doing. GJ continuing. I think this level is rather strong. If we close above this level, I think we can continue moving. But if we don't close, then we're gonna struggle in 1.5 minutes. GJ doing GJ things.
Very natural.
Pardon?
very natural for JJ to do.
Yeah, honestly, GJ used to be so much better than this,
Yeah.
but off late it's just been, yeah, it's just been hovering around. I think this entire year, I don't know if y'all can agree with me or not, but this entire year GJ has been very annoying. Very, very annoying. Just there's 1 minute left on GJ. It should continue pushing. GJ has now broken the top of the previous 30 minute, which should now continue pushing. But as you know, GJ likes messing about and not doing what it should do. So yeah, let's see what GJ does. Is this the next 1 minute? Okay, this is the 30-minute candle coming in. Yeah, this 30-minute candle cleared this, so now this 30-minute candle should flip and continue higher. Potential on potential is there, but when we look at this 5-minute, okay, yeah, that is a breakout 5-minute. GJ looks good, but GJ doesn't look good. Live. Let's just watch what GJ does. Just watch and observe what GJ does. If it continues, well and good. If it doesn't, then we learned something new about GJ. This honestly should continue up. I don't see why this should come back down. 2.5 pips up. Yep. And just like that, GJ continuing without us. It is what it is. There's not enough volume, to be honest, on this GJ trade. There you go. Nobody knows what is happening on GJ. Gold is continuing up. You think we can buy if news was negative, but bro, the data shows me big banks added a bit of funds on GBP JPY. I told you, bro. I honestly don't know. Is there a better app to look at commitment of traders? Or is there like a indicator over here? The one with the most people. No. Commitment of traders legacy metrics. What is this? Is this what does EP mean? Is that good? Oh sheesh, something happened. FX knowledge base, GJ and gold, same direction, bad for business. Yeah. Very true. Couldn't agree with you more, bro. GJ. I'd just say don't mess around with GJ right now. GJ is moody and bad right now. EJ. Could have picked up another good one on EJ. So the important thing is to not let emotions get in. When the emotions get in, you're gonna start trying to catch all the trades possible. Could GJ finally start moving? I'm pretty sure this is like some top wick or something. What is this? Okay, 650. Let's see if it can close above that level. You need membership fee to see real data on COT. Some websites offer that for low cost. Interesting. Remember we used to use a volume indicator, Pragadro?
That you still have it, right?
Yeah. Let's check it out.
Third one from the that one.
What are those lines and all, yo? What is this? Developing POC development.
New update.
I have no clue. What is this POC? No, thank you. This POC? Okay, we'll take this. Is it like a point of concern by any chance at that level? Yeah, that makes sense. No doubt. We looked at it too. That's high volume in that region too.
Yeah.
You see, I drew this level and GJ is not able to cross it, so that's fine.
Maybe you just wanna pull back before the NY open.
Yeah. What time is all the news coming out today? Oh,
No idea.
Russian minister, foreign minister, whatever his name is, Lavrov. Peace talks with Ukraine aren't easy. Wait, he's talking about peace talks with Ukraine. Aren't easy, but there are certain hope for compromise. That is so funny. That is funny on many levels. G is strong and J is weak, so I don't know. Okay,
So,
guys,
FOMC,
this is nothing. What?
FOMC tonight,
What time?
11:30.
6 o'clock. USD core retail sales and everything. Canadian CPI. No problem. So what can we learn from today's stream? Now we're back at this $2 loss, right? After going up almost $125. So next time I take a trade after a win, I'm gonna only use half a position. So if we win the trade, the next trade will only be 50% of that position, which I normally do, but today I was just confident.
Yeah. Should have gone for input risk.
Yeah, should have done input risk, but no problem.
Yeah. The last stream, like someone talked about Ironman trading, right?
Yeah,
Who was that?
I'm not sure what happened to Iron Man.
No, like I just went through his channel and just see the way he's trading.
1 second. Took my first one lot today and lost. No worries. Just an expensive lesson, sales. Yes, sales. I'll tell you what. Don't lower down your lot size now. You know, because at least this is what I personally believe. You can choose to follow that or not. But what I personally believe is now, see, that was an expensive loss, right? So you want to be careful now. You want to be able to check whether your next one lot is as scary as this one, because you know your trading plan, you know how profitable you are, you know your consistency, right? So with the next one, maybe, who knows, maybe that may be your one lot first one lot winner. You never know. $45-minute time frame on GJ. So we can take it on the 45-minute flip, to be honest. Okay, slow down, GJ. Let's see if we can get a move now. Fire in my altar never burn out. Everything is bullish on GJ. I don't see why we should not continue. But we need GJ to close above 340. Ooh. GJ not able to hold that level, yo. Or is there some form of news right now? Gold is pushing up. So we just gotta wait. Patience is the game. K1, good morning. Good morning, K1. It's from hedge funds. EJ. Can EJ calm down is the question. What do you all think about EJ sells? We're now back in this range. What do you all think about EJ sells? 45-minute candle. Back down.
What lot size are you trading?
Depends on my stops. Sometimes one, sometimes a 2 lot. So if my stop is a 5 pips, then it's usually a 2 lot, and if my stop is 10 pips, it's a 1 lot.
Mm.
What is up, Change? How you doing?
All good.
Yeah.
Let's see, can EJ continue down? $45-minute time frame. Clean traffic towards the left. EJ. GJ coming down. So you can see how short this range is, so there's no point in taking a trade in this range. We're just chilling.
Talking about the range in GJ.
EJ.
How much is it?
It's literally just 10 pips. Coming down to previous psychological levels, so yeah. It's not enough to take a trade in. But yeah, we're just chilling, guys.
Don't forget to drop a like on the video.
Yeah. Don't forget to drop a like and a sub. Right now there's no entry, is no problem. I think we'll be back for New York session. New York session should be interesting because we have all that news that's coming out, eh? So we got 20 of y'all in the chat. Thank you for joining us today. We got 22 of y'all in the chat. Come on, guys. If you're unsubbed already, sub. Let's watch EJ crumble. Alright guys, we're gonna call it a stream over here. It was a good session. Don't over risk, don't over trade. Wait for the news to come out. Trust me, you don't want to be playing around in these markets before the news. Let's just wait for all that to play out and then we can come back in the London session, in the New York session and kill it again. Gold also, I'm not gonna touch gold, yo. XFX, we're not touching gold till NY session. We need the markets to form up again and then perhaps give us something to do. Don't get burnt for no reason. Gold looks good on the 1 hour. It does, no doubt, no doubt. But it's just that we're in such a messy area, you know, that I don't feel like taking a trade on gold, to be honest. Perhaps once we break above 1935, as I mentioned before, I'd look for buys, but I don't know, I'm just not comfortable with this. Just not comfortable. Alright, so I'm gonna see you guys. Take care, be safe, don't overtrade, don't over risk, you know the vibe. See you all. you